Quickly give your projects dimensional foil finishes with Deco Foil Foam Adhesive by ThermOWeb. Each package comes with 2 acid-free foam sheets that measure 6 by 12. These foam sheets were designed to work specifically with Deco Foil Transfer Sheets, which come in a wide range of colors and designs. To use the Deco Foil foam sheets, start by cutting out a design. This can be done with punches, electronic die cutting machines, and die cutters. Next, peel back the paper liner from the front and place the silver side of the transfer foil onto the exposed foam. Then, use your finger to apply light to medium pressure over the design. No heat is required. Finally, peel back the transfer foil and remove the back liner. Then, add it to your project. You'll be left with a beautiful foil design that won't scratch or rub off. Another fun way to use the foam adhesive sheets is by adding texture to them. Add the already foiled foam sheet to a piece of cardstock and run it through a die cutting machine with an embossing folder. You'll be left with a beautiful foiled textured look. You can really let your creativity pop with dimensional foil finishes using the Deco Foil Foam Adhesive by ThermOWeb.